Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why your skin doesn't reflect how healthy you feel on the inside? You're eating better, maybe exercising more. You drink your morning coffee every single day, yet fine lines, dullness, and loss of firmness still seem to creep in. What if I told you that your daily cup of coffee could either be accelerating skin aging or quietly signaling your body to produce more collagen, depending on what you put in it? Here's what's really going on inside your body. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It gives your skin structure, elasticity, and strength. But starting in our mid-20s, collagen production naturally declines. That decline accelerates when blood sugar spikes. Inflammation stays elevated, oxidative stress increases, and hormones drift out of balance. These are not surface-level skin problems. They're metabolic signals showing up on the skin. This is where most anti-aging advice gets it wrong. People chase creams, serums, and expensive procedures, treating the surface while ignoring the internal signals that tell skin cells whether to build collagen or break it down. Your skin is not aging in isolation. It's responding to signals from your liver, your gut, your insulin levels, your stress hormones, and your immune system. And interestingly, coffee sits right at the center of this conversation. On its own, coffee contains powerful polyphenols that activate antioxidant and longevity pathways, including AMPK, a metabolic switch involved in fat burning and cellular repair. But coffee can either support collagen production or silently accelerate collagen damage depending on how you consume it. Most people miss this completely. What you add to your coffee determines whether it becomes a daily anti-aging signal or a daily collagen stressor. Certain ingredients stabilize blood sugar, reduce inflammation, support amino acid availability, and activate fibroblasts, the cells that produce collagen. Others spike insulin, increase glycation, and stiffen collagen fibers, making wrinkles more visible over time. To understand why this matters, we need to talk about glycation. Imagine collagen fibers in your skin like fresh rubber bands, flexible, springy, and strong. Now imagine sugar molecules floating through your bloodstream like tiny drops of glue. When blood sugar rises too high, those sugar molecules stick to collagen fibers, making them stiff and brittle. That process is called glycation. Once collagen becomes glycated, your body struggles to repair it. This is why blood sugar control isn't just about diabetes or weight. It's one of the fastest accelerators of visible aging. Coffee itself isn't the problem. The problem is what most people add to it. Sugar, flavored creamers, syrups, and sweetened milks create an early morning blood sugar spike. Insulin rises sharply. Insulin doesn't just regulate glucose. It tells your body to shift away from repair and into storage mode. At the same time, high glucose directly damages collagen before new fibers can even be built. Research consistently shows that advanced glycation end products accumulate in skin tissue and are strongly associated with wrinkles, loss of elasticity, and dullness. So if your morning coffee contains sugar or fast-digesting carbs, you may be aging your skin before 9 a.m. The good news is that this process is reversible at the signaling level. By stabilizing blood sugar and supplying the right building blocks at the same time, you can shift your body from collagen breakdown into collagen preservation and repair. That's where collagen peptides come in. Collagen is not built from beauty signals. It's built from raw materials. Your skin cells, specifically fibroblasts, can only produce collagen if they have access to very specific amino acids, glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Collagen itself is about 1/3 glycine by weight. Here's the problem. Most modern diets are chronically deficient in glycine, even in people who eat plenty of protein. Muscle meats are high in methionine but low in glycine. So even if protein intake is high, The raw materials for collagen are often missing. Collagen peptides solve this problem. They are pre-digested forms of collagen that are rapidly absorbed and deliver glycine and proline directly into circulation. Studies published in journals like Nutrients and the Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that collagen peptide intake increases circulating amino acids used for collagen synthesis and improves skin elasticity over time. Coffee turns out to be an ideal delivery vehicle. It increases blood flow, stimulates digestion, and improves nutrient absorption. When collagen peptides are added to coffee, especially earlier in the day, those amino acids become available when your body is primed for repair. There's another benefit most people don't realize. Glycine doesn't just build collagen, it lowers cortisol and improves insulin sensitivity. That means collagen peptides actually buffer the stress response from caffeine, instead of coffee, raising cortisol and accelerating collagen breakdown. The signal shifts toward metabolic balance and tissue repair. But collagen peptides alone are not enough. Collagen production is biologically expensive. Your body only commits to it when conditions are right: low inflammation, controlled oxidative stress, and active collagen-building enzymes. One of the most important of those enzymes requires vitamin C. Vitamin C is not optional for collagen synthesis. It's a required cofactor that stabilizes and strengthens collagen fibers. Without it, collagen forms improperly and breaks down faster. This is why vitamin C deficiency historically caused scurvy, a disease of collapsing connective tissue. Even mild insufficiency, which is common today, slows collagen repair and accelerates visible aging. Think of collagen peptides as wet cement. Vitamin C is the curing agent. Without it, the structure never fully hardens. Because vitamin C is heat sensitive, it's best not to add it directly to hot coffee. Instead, pair your collagen coffee with berries, citrus, kiwi, or take vitamin C shortly before or after. Now let's talk about timing, because even the right ingredients can work against you if you use them at the wrong moment. Collagen synthesis is hormone dependent, and the hormone most likely to interfere is cortisol. Cortisol helps you wake up and mobilize energy, but when it stays elevated too long, it sends a clear signal. This is not a time to repair. Cortisol naturally peaks 30 to 45 minutes after waking. Drinking coffee immediately on an empty stomach stacks caffeine on top of that peak, pushing cortisol even higher. Chronically elevated cortisol increases collagen degradati, reduces fibroblast activity, thins the skin, and impairs wound healing. That's why some people say collagen doesn't work for them. The ingredient wasn't the problem. The timing was. You have two options. Delay your coffee 60 to 90 minutes after waking to allow cortisol to rise and fall naturally. Or buffer your coffee by adding collagen peptides or protein. Protein blunts cortisol response and shifts your body out of stress signaling. Pairing collagen coffee with light movement, like walking, also lowers stress hormones and improves insulin sensitivity. And slow down. Collagen production favors parasympathetic activity, rest, digestion, and repair. Treat this habit as a repair signal, not a stimulant. One more piece that almost no one talks about: your skin is downstream from your liver. Your liver regulates blood sugar, processes hormones, and controls detoxification. When liver function is strained, glycation increases, oxidative stress rises, and collagen breaks down faster. Coffee, when consumed without sugar or artificial additives, has been consistently associated with better liver health and lower fatty liver risk. But when coffee is loaded with sugar and processed creamers, the liver shifts into damage control. Collagen peptides provide glycine, which the liver uses to produce glutathione, your body's master antioxidant. More glutathione means less oxidative damage to collagen fibers and skin cells. This is why people often notice improvements not only in skin, but also digestion, joints, and energy when they optimize this habit. Collagen health is systemic. And finally, consistency matters. Collagen is not a quick fix, it's a biological investment. When you send the same repair signals day after day, your body responds slowly, steadily, and sustainably. So here's your simple 14-day challenge. Remove sugar and flavored creamers from coffee. Add 10 to 15 grams of clean collagen peptides. Delay your coffee slightly or buffer it with protein. Support vitamin C intake later in the day. Notice how your skin, joints, digestion, and energy respond, because real aging reversal doesn't start with products, it starts with better signals. If this helped you rethink aging from the inside out, like the video and subscribe. I post evidence-based content like this every day to help you optimize metabolism, skin health, and longevity naturally. I'll see you in the next one.